And therefore, this network will implement this Open Multimodal AI Benchmark to enable us to achieve our objectives. We aim to build benchmark datasets, tasks, evaluation protocols, baseline models, and we want teams to work together across disciplines, and we want to build an ecosystem that can thrive over the years. And upon this launch of the core, we will release a UI expression of interest form, and the due date is 24th of September. And we have a website, which is a QR code, which we will regularly update when we have new information to share. And for the OMAIB focuses, we want to support research that address real-world challenges, and also align with the objectives of the UKOMAIN. Therefore, we want to build open research, open data, open software, so that we can build a thriving ecosystem. And we want these projects, these benchmarks, to be interdisciplinary and collaborative. So it will not be similar to many of the benchmarks you see in computer vision, in NLP, focus on particular modality-specific capability. That's not our focus. And because you may see our funding are always limited, therefore, on the other hand, we believe there are large amounts of resources that are already there. Therefore, we encourage the reusage and the leverage of what's already there, existing data, existing software that may need a little bit more effort to make them reusable, rather than collecting or creating new data sets, brand new data sets, or brand new software, because I think that will be a more cost-effective way to look at what we already have and to maximize the value from what we already created, rather than getting more data, creating more new software. And along with our UKOMAIN focus, we want this benchmark to be more deployment-centric rather than capability, like those kind of modality-specific capability centric. Therefore, we expect the benchmarks to consider real-world constraints, so that when we build a benchmark, it can match real-world scenarios better than many of the academic papers and benchmarks. And we want this to be a community-driven effort. That means we want to have more coordinated efforts. So we do not want projects to work separately as silos, but we want to view multiple projects we funded as a coherent community, and we need more coordinated efforts to make sure that we exchange our ideas, leverage each other's expertise, and reuse other tools so that we can achieve the best value out of the limited funding. And lastly, we will need to work on shared infrastructure, and that will be that means that we will work on GitHub primarily.